Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you how I did a complete makeover of my 9-year-old dresser. It's looking stunning, trust me. I will tell you how I proceeded with the project. I bought Berger high gloss paint from my local paint shop along with brushes and roller. I also bought a sandpaper so that I can smoothen the surface of my furniture. Other than that, I bought Mod Podge from Amazon.co.in. I will provide you link if you do not know what is Mod Podge. It is a medium which can help secure your paper or your cloth to a piece of furniture or glass or plastic. It is very helpful. I use it in various of my projects. So that I have used. So I will provide you link. I use foam brush to apply that Mod Podge. Again, I've bought that from Amazon. I'll again provide you link for that also. I have bought wallpaper matching with my color theme of Berger paint. So wallpaper I have bought from Flipkart. So I have used a theme of golden white color along with hardwares of bronze color, which is again giving a highlight to my piece of furniture. To secure the areas where I do not want paint to peep in, I have used masking tape, which is again available on paint shop. So from paint, without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, it's right below the video. Thanks for watching. In first step, empty up your dresser, remove lights installed in dresser, remove all hardwares, remove drawers from dresser. ये है मेरी 9 साल पुरानी ड्रेसर. आप देख सकते हैं इसके कलर्स काफ़ी डल हो चुके हैं. दिस ड्रेसर इज स्टर्डी, सो आई वॉन्ट टू गिव अ मेकओवर. मैंने इसको पूरा खाली कर लिया है, ड्रॉर्स भी निकाल दिए हैं. स्टेप 2, स्मूदन द सर्फेस यूजिंग सैंडिंग पेपर. रिमूव ऑल सैंड डस्ट यूजिंग डैम्प क्लॉथ. प्रिपेयर योर फ्लोर एरिया. बेसिकली हमें अपने सरफेस को स्मूथ बनाना है. Step 3. Apply putty on holes or cracks in your furniture. Then apply wood primer and then start painting. मैंने प्राइमर का यूज़ नहीं किया है, इसीलिए मुझे ऑयल पेंट के 3 कोट्स करने पड़ेंगे. अगर आप ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट करने जा रहे हो तो प्रेफर करें कि पहले प्राइमर यूज़ करें. मैं बहुत रैंडम ब्रशेस मार रही हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज माई फर्स्ट कोट, सो इट कैन बी रफ. फॉर कॉर्नर्स मैं ब्रश यूज़ करूँगी. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू कंप्लीट माई फर्स्ट कोट टुडे, ताकि मैं कल इस पर फाइनल कोट्स कर सकूँ. अगर आपके पीस ऑफ फर्नीचर पर कहीं भी मिरर इंस्टॉल्ड हो या फिर कोई ऐसी चीज़ हो जिस पे आपको पेंट नहीं करना है, तो आप पेंटर्स टेप की मदद से उसको सिक्योर कर सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हैं मैंने मिरर की बाउंड्री पर पेंटर्स टेप लगाया है. ये पेंट शॉप पे बहुत ही आसानी से मिल जाता है. फाइनली आई एम यूजिंग पेंट ब्रश टू कवर अप माई डिफ़िकल्ट कॉर्नर्स. After completing 3 coats and spending 2 days, my piece of furniture is ready. I've also done painting of drawers separately. I'm not doing touch wood on this furniture because the paint is already high gloss. Step 4. Beautify your furniture using wallpaper and Mod Podge the surface to secure it. Check out my drawers also. I have painted it after removing my hardware fittings. I have used a PVC sheet to do the interiors, and I'm using a wallpaper to do the exterior designing of my dresser. This wallpaper I've got from Flipkart. This is self adhesive. I'm going to take dimension of my drawer and simply stick it on the surface, leaving some borders. I have taken dimension of this area and cut down my wallpaper as per the requirement, and I'm going to use this plastic card to remove the creases, and let's do it. So this is my final stage. I have this vacant lid, so I'm going to use this to put my Mod Podge formula over it, and this will protect my wallpaper surface and give. So this is my Mod Podge formula, and this is a foam brush. Again, I bought it from Amazon India. It's time for final reveal. You can ignore the lights because it is yet to be installed on my dresser. I'm waiting for my electrician. You can see how this wallpaper is beautifully complementing my paint color, and see these beautiful hardwares. They are giving a complete new look to my dresser. I really enjoyed doing this project for you all. अगर आपको पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड प्लीज़ शेयर योर कमेंट्स. Thank you so much for watching.